Welcome to Coding Classic. In this video, we will learn how to create a button like the one on the screen. You can use this button on Message, Contact, and others. Before we begin, if you are new here, kindly follow or subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Let's begin. Firstly, create your HTML and CSS file. Also, don't forget to link them together. Starting from btn container. I used Phantom Icon on this project, so let's use the CDN link. Copy the link and paste it at the header of your project. Let's now use it on our project. There is problem somewhere, let's debug. I did not spell plain correct, I wrote paper instead of plain. There is still error. Let's find the problem. Let's send in the button before we continue to find the error. I forgot to add button tag in the project, so let's add it. Here is the preview, but the icon is not yet showing. Let's look for the error. I found the error. I wrote plainer instead of plain. The icon is showing now. We are done with our HTML. Let's start styling. Our first styling is to position our project at the center. Let's style our button. Here is the preview. Next is the icon. Here is the preview so far. Finally, we are done with this project. If you really enjoyed it, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.